Ethiopian Calendar Overview. The Ethiopian calendar, also known as the Guizi calendar, is a solar calendar consisting of 13 months. It has 12 months of 30 days each, and an additional month called Pagum, which has 5 days in a regular year and 6 days every fourth year, leap year. This calendar is roughly 7 to 8 years behind the Gregorian calendar due to differences in calculating the Annunciation of Jesus. The Ethiopian New Year falls on Meskerem 1, which usually corresponds to September 11th, or September 12th in a leap year, in the Gregorian calendar.
የወራት ስያሜ መስከረም መስከረም ጥቅምት ጥቅምት ህዳር ህዳር ታህሳስ ታህሳስ ጥር ጥር የካቲት የካቲት መጋቢት መጋቢት ሚያዝያ ሚያዝያ ግንቦት ግንቦት ሰኔ ሰኔ ሐምሌ ሐምሌ ነሐሴ ነሐሴ ጳጉሜ ጳጉሜ